I'm Ashley.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and we both look after the sales and marketing at 24/7 Steller Packing.
I am the newest member to the team. Sarah otherwise has been here for
nearly 9 years, but together we worked out we've got nearly 35 years experience in both sales and business development.
Across many industries. 24/7 Steller Packing is a contract packing company, often mistaken for a packaging company.
Not packaging.
Not packaging. Packing.
So we are a contract packer. We're in the southeast of England, but we work with people all over the country.
We are BRC accredited.
BRCGS, so British Retail Consortium in storage and distribution. The BRC in storage and distribution shows everybody that we adhere to certain quality management systems. We can deal with all consumer products, however, not open food. We have the flexibility to have temporary staff, which means that we can expand and contract our service to meet the needs and demand of our customers.
The services that we will actually provide you are
flow wrapping, labelling, shrink wrapping,
gift set assembly.
We do a lot of gift sets. We can help people put things right, so we offer an inspection and remedial service as well.
QC inspection and rework.
We are seeing a massive trend at the moment with Brexit compliance labelling. However, our labelling can range from decorative for marketing purposes right the way through to rework, so for barcode over labelling, ingredients over labelling. We assist a lot of marketing companies with flow wrapping, so we put together a lot of samples for their marketing campaign. So with regard to the products that we can work with, there's not much we haven't worked with, whether it be putting screws into selection packs, putting together a very prestigious cosmetics gift set, right through to the adult toys sector. So there's not much we haven't done.
How many do you think of our customers really are on the smaller scale?
Oh, we have a complete diverse blend of people that maybe need us to do a few thousand things, right up to your huge companies that have got like 500,000 things they need us to do. So it really, really does depend. We really offer a bespoke service.
And although our work may look as though it could be quite seasonal, because obviously we do a lot with gift set assemblies and hampers, we've worked with some high-end retailers on hampers at Christmas time, I think people don't realise that our work is across the board all year round.
I think the thing we do the most is our gift set assembly and over-labelling and rework of labels. That's definitely something that we're practiced at and do a lot of. It's really easy to get free and helpful advice from us. We could be your first point of call if you've got an idea or didn't know the logistics of how something might go together. So you can give us a call, we can talk through your idea with you, and then we can give you a price on how long we think it's going to be for you to pack it. I think that flexibility to be able to be quite reactive is one of the better things about working with us at 24/7 Steller, because there isn't that huge corporate structure of people that we need to go and refer the ideas to. Ashley and I will be able to give quite a quick and informed decision on prices, so you can go away and get your project priced up with your customer without having to wait around too long.
And I think it's important to remember as well, because people wouldn't necessarily know how we would structure our pricing. Again, like it comes with the services, there's not a one price fits all. It's all case by case. And just to give you an idea of how we would work it out, we go down, regardless of the size of the opportunity, we would go right down to the seconds and the pence, sometimes half a pence, on how things are calculated in terms of pricing.
And I think because we have been around for quite a long time, we've seen it all. People come to us sometimes in a bit of a drama and go, help, I've got this problem and how do we fix it? And we can, because of our experience, we can say, oh, don't worry about it, we'll take care of it. And I think that's why people come back to us time and time again, is because, oh, don't worry, we've seen it, we've been there, and we're kind of unflappable. So we can.
And we're real people. You're having an actual conversation. You're not dealing with a robot.
I think we both, because we're quite consultative, get a kick out of making it as easy as possible for our customer, so they can kind of almost breathe a sigh of relief that we're looking after it for them.
Once we've packed the product and we've worked with the client and we've got that established and it's all packed and it's ready to go,
what then?
Well, yeah, what then? We work with logistic companies, don't we?
Yeah, we don't have our own lorries, but we have, as part of our BRC accreditation, an approved suppliers list. So over the years, having been around for 25 years and more, we've got some really trusted logistics companies as well, whether it be same day or a full articulated lorry, we can arrange the onward transport for you as well.
So what do we want people to do from here?
I'm happy if they just want to pick up the phone.
We are looking to expand on our sort of digital marketing presence as well. So connect with us on LinkedIn, follow our page, make sure you're looking at us on our socials. It's something that we're now at the real beginning of giving it a real boost.
So maybe it's that you don't have a requirement right away, but you might know somebody that does. We've got a referral scheme in place. So feel free to pass our details across, because ring us up, ask us about it.
We are not scary.
We're not.